with the devastation that we experienced in KwaZulu-Natal, with the flash floods and that we experienced in the last couple of days, we have had to move in to alleviate the suffering of the people. Many people are displaced, and we are very pleased that the Seventh-day Adventist Church in this conference, the KwaZulu-Natal Free State Conference, through its service organization Meals on Wheels in this area, was able to intervene. 36,199 meals, warm meals, have been served, have been delivered to a number of destitute people throughout the province, particularly in areas, the greater eThekwini area, Ugu municipality, Nongoma, and certain other areas.
We are attending to the disaster that has happened in KwaZulu-Natal. Over the past few days, we've been inundated with requests from all different areas. Areas like Shallcross, Chatsworth, Burlington area, Seaview, Manorview. We've done places like Clarewood, Isipingo, Phoenix, and many other areas. So at the moment, at this specific site, we are cooking over 2,000 meals daily. We've got about 40 volunteers that have been assisting us on a daily basis. As you can see, they're busy chopping up vegetables. Some of them are busy at the pots. So it's been a hectic few days.
Today we're feeding sampan beans and as well as beans curry. So we've been here from Saturday last week and everybody has been here.
Speaking of yesterday's experience, we went and we delivered in Burlington, and it was such a joy seeing the children's face light up as we gave them warm, home-cooked meals, and it was a true pleasure to do our part in all of this. Thank you.
We are residing in Bonita Sibinga Beach, the town that was severely affected by the flooding that happened on the 12th of April 2022. And we are part of the Merebank Seventh-day Adventist Church, and we're a family of 3 that's living in this home where the water came to about 69 centimeters in height from the bottom outside and destroyed basically the bottom half of this house. Yeah, so all our belongings and possessions and everything was destroyed in it, and thank God no lives were saved in this town actually. Yeah, up until now we haven't heard of any loss of lives in this town. Yeah, so far.
We first-hand experienced people screaming for help for their lives, and we were helpless to do anything, and we are grateful to our community that has come by with water and food every day. Without them, I don't know what we would have done, and it's going to be a long road for us to recovery, and we're just grateful to God that we were able to survive. That's all because some of the people escaped with just the clothes on their backs, and even our animals drowned, and we watched helplessly because there was nothing that we could do. There's no house in this area that has been spared, and I don't think there's any cars that have been spared either. It's just suffering all around. Despair, discouragement, people are depressed, and I don't know how they are going to pick up the pieces of their lives. This is their livelihood that's gone, this is their home that's gone, and everybody that you see, there's a sense of hopelessness in their eyes. And basically we're just helpless. And all this happened within a space of 5 minutes. So there was never time to take anything out, to salvage anything. And as I pointed out, people just escaped with the clothes on their back.
Sibuza sibe nenkinga kakhulu la ngemvuleni ethile silahlekelwa amakhaya abafundi balahlekelwe incwadi abantu abathatha ama medication amakhadi alahlekile kodwa ke siyabonga ukuthi silitholile usizo ukuthi sibusi njengoba sila ehholo salithola usizo basinikeza sibonge nenkampani ezisinikeza supporta ngokuthi sithole ukudla and siyabonga kakhulu bayasupporta akukho kulamba ingane ziyathola amapampasi idingo nje esizitholayo zi-right siyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi silahlekelwe ke njengamanje sekuyaqala sesinabo amathemba ukuthi sizolungiselwa bayasithembisa konke ukuthi soba right siyabonga.
We're very proud to say that Meals on Wheels was the very first responders to the disaster, and the impact that we made is really long lasting, because when people have lost everything and you bring them a hot plate of food, that's their first step to realize that there are people out there that care for them also.
Sihlala eDanganya, in fact besihlala eDanganya area 6. So what happened is kwawa izindlu I think last Monday. So njengamanje sihlala la eUltra City, but siyalithola usizo enkonzweni bafikile izolo besilethela ukudla for lunch and then basilethela no blanket ntambama.
I would like bandibonga abantu basenkonzweni because of izinto abasizisela zona basisele ukutya basisele ingubo zokunxiba and nezokulala, so we thank you so much.
We've been able to go and see church members who are also been victims of the floods. What has happened, they have lost their homes, they have lost their source of shelter and food. So we provide food for them, which then in turn help them, because some of them are taking chronic medication. We have ladies that are also expecting, who are pregnant within the late stage of their pregnancy as well. So we're able to reach out to government departments as well to say we have people within our area who are destitute, who are in need as well of medication and medical attention. In that case, we have the Department of Health responding swiftly and quickly.
We're trying to help our community as much as possible, and as you can see, we already filled up one truck, and we're willing to do more if possible.
Ayikho into esingathi sinayo, sisuke sihlala la emlolweni ngesimene sokuthi sifudumane njengoba sinxibile masinethiwe somiswa yiwo lo mlilo njengoba sihlelela.
Njengamanje ngilive Verelem kwenye indawo abathi seConstone inemjondolo nje la isebenzela khona sihlala khona la. So sihlala la Monday kufikile ikhukhula imvula kwafika ama floods umfula lo yabathi umdloti lo yawamani waqhoma wa destroy izindlu zabantu. So akukho mjondolo la, akukho kudla, akukho ngubo, akukho manzi, bazivalela amanzi umasipala bathi amapipe adestroyekile. So awekho amanzi, akukho gesi, asikwazi nakupheka. No prima stove down there, abe khona ama prima stove ahambe namanzi. Akho fridge ukudla bese kutheka ngesonto abanye bethu nje benzele ukuthenga ukudla kwenyanga. Nothing is found down there. So nje as you can see ku destroyekile yonke into, only le mjondolo nje eselela nayo impahla ephakathi igcwele amanzi.
Until this disaster is over, we will be here. We will make sure that every single person does not go to bed hungry or cold or thirsty until this disaster is over. Ours is to spread the love of God. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I am the CEO of Meals and Wheels Community Service South Africa. Have a good day and God bless.